Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to get push notifications to your MetaTrader phone application. As you can see on top here, whereby you have quotes, we have deals that have taken place, we have orders that have taken place from a MetaTrader desktop application, and they're sending push notifications to my phone. So if I can just open that, you can see all this. So open your MetaTrader application on your phone and click on quotes, go to settings, and then you'll check on the meta quotes ID there. So you'll copy this, and now this is what you'll be using on your desktop application. Yeah, so join me as I open my MetaTrader application desktop. Okay, so on your desktop, go ahead and open the MetaTrader application and go to tools, options, and then notifications. You need to enable the push notification, and then you insert the meta quote ID here. Then you can click on test. So go ahead and check your phone, expecting to receive a notification from the meta quote application. Yeah, so that's it. Never miss out any trade, never miss out any action, never miss any order that has taken place. In case you are away from the PC, you'll get notified on your phone whatever is happening on your PC desktop application. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. See you in the next video.